guys, this is our dance short series and I am back with a very simple move for you guys called leg out, leg in. Let's see how it is done. Let's start with our feet in a comfortable position and do as the name suggests. Push your right leg out towards the right and bring it back to its initial position. Bring it back in. Same thing with your left leg out, left leg in. That's it. To make it a bit more interesting, let's try weight shift. So as you move your right leg out, shift all your weight on your right leg such that your left leg is free to move, and then shift it back to your left leg and bring back your right leg to its initial position. Same thing on the other side. Shift your weight to the left and bring it back in. That's it. Now let's see what arm movements can be added to this move. You can do a roll it away, or you can do roll it back in. You can keep your hands fisted and throw them to the opposite direction of which your leg is moving. So if your leg is going to the right, throw them to the left and bring them back in. You can even add raise the roof. So if you don't know what raise the roof is, quickly go to our hip hop playlist of Unleashed Dance and check it out. Now let's try the arm movements with the footwork. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other arm movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the move, guys. Let's try it with some music. So that's leg out and leg in. To make it more challenging, you can use levels. So as you push your leg out, you can go to a lower level and come back in. You can go to a lower level and come back up. You can even let go of your upper body. So as you shift your weight, let it go and pull it back. Let it go and pull it back. You can add any kind of arm movement to this move and make it your own. So go on and practice. That's it for today. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.